Hi, and thanks for watching. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn this into this using toothpaste. That's right, we're going to remove a rust stain from a porcelain sink using toothpaste. Nothing else, just toothpaste. Let's put it to the test. Before we dive straight in though, if you want to learn more about how to clean better by saving money and time and the environment along the way, please click below to subscribe, turn on the notifications so you know every time we upload a video. So here's a little bit of a backstory for you. This is my sink at home because my wife decided she was going to put something in there to soak before she cleaned it. Unfortunately, it sat on the porcelain and it did leave quite a harsh rust mark. I tried various different things to get it off and then I clicked, what am I on about? There's that old cleaning hack of toothpaste to remove a rust stain. So that's what I've tried and here we go. And there you have it, the final result. Quick, simple, but effective. It took it straight off. And you should all have a bit of toothpaste in your cupboard to make sure it works. I will say the stronger the toothpaste, the more effective it is. So if you have got children's toothpaste or if you use a mild toothpaste, it may not work. As you can tell, this one is a sensitive and a strong toothpaste, so it does work really, really well. But I hope you enjoyed that and I hope it may just save your bacon if you're Googling right around now because you need to remove that rust stain. Thanks for watching and please do click below to subscribe if you want to learn how to clean better while saving time, money and the environment along the way. Thanks again.